Did you know that in the late 1940s, during the early years of Pakistan's inception, the price of gold was merely 85 rupees per 10 grams? Yes, that's right, 85 rupees. It's a figure that seems almost unbelievable when compared to today's gold prices. This, my friends, is the intriguing journey of gold prices in Pakistan's history. In the nascent years of Pakistan, from 1947 to the mid-1950s, gold prices remained relatively steady. The price per 10 grams hovered around 85 to 90 rupees. The economy was still stabilizing and the value of the local currency was strong. As we moved into the 1960s, the gold prices started to see an uptick. The price per 10 grams crossed the 100 rupee mark for the first time in 1962. This was a period of economic growth and industrial development in Pakistan, which led to a rise in the demand for gold, pushing its prices up. The 1970s brought a significant rise in the prices of gold in Pakistan. The price per 10 grams rose from around 200 rupees at the start of the decade to over 1,000 rupees by its end. This was a period of political instability and economic turmoil, which led to a decline in the value of the local currency, thereby increasing the price of gold. The 1980s and 1990s saw a steady rise in gold prices, with the price per 10 grams crossing the 5,000 rupees mark in the late 90s. This was a result of increased demand for gold both domestically and internationally, coupled with periods of economic instability. The turn of the millennium brought with it skyrocketing gold prices. The price per 10 grams crossed the 10,000 rupees mark in the early 2000s and the 20,000 rupees mark by the end of the decade. The global economic crisis of 2008 played a significant role in this hike, as investors turned to gold as a safe haven. In the 2010s, gold prices in Pakistan rose exponentially. The price per 10 grams crossed the 50,000 rupees mark in 2012 and reached an all-time high of over 90,000 rupees in 2019. This rise can be attributed to the economic challenges faced by Pakistan, coupled with the global increase in gold prices. Today, gold prices remain at historically high levels, reflecting both the local economic conditions and global market trends. To recap, the journey of gold prices in Pakistan's history has been a fascinating one. From a mere 85 rupees per 10 grams in the late 1940s to over 90,000 rupees in 2019, the price of gold has seen a dramatic increase. This increase is reflective of the economic conditions, both domestic and global, and their impact on the value of the local currency. The journey of gold prices is, in many ways, a mirror to the journey of the nation itself. A story of resilience, survival, and the constant pursuit of prosperity.